Everything's crammed into one column and you need it in two. Google Sheets will split it for you. And there are two ways depending on whether you want it to keep up when the list changes. 5 names, first and last, stuck together in one column. We want them apart. First way, the menu. Select the names. Then data. Split text to columns. Sheets works out the separator on its own. Here it's the space. Done. First names here, last names there. But look closely. It overwrote the original column. The full names are gone. That's the catch with the menu. It replaces what you had, and it only runs once. So let me undo it and show you the other way. This time we leave the original alone and build the split beside it. The split function. Give it the cell and the character to break on. Here that's a space in quotes. One formula, 2 cells. It's spilled sideways into D on its own. You don't write a second formula for the last name. Copy it down the rest of the list. And the whole list is split, with the original still sitting there in column A. And here's why that matters. Add somebody new to the list. The formula handles them too. With the menu version, you'd be running that split again by hand every single time. 1 splits once, 1 keeps splitting. Now you know which you need.